All right, kids, I'm going to go over the worksheet that you're doing today. So the first one is Station 1. And it says Station 1, School Mascot Vote. And school mascots are the animal of your school. So for example, Mendez is the Mavericks. Hippos, 25 people chose hippos, so that's why they have a small piece of the pie. Bears were chosen by 450 people. Eagles were chosen by 350 people, and cougars were chosen by 175 people. So the biggest piece of the pie is bears because the most people chose bears as their school mascot. Now on the other side, you can see what is the ratio of students who voted for eagles to bears. So what I want you to do is I want you to circle the 3 keywords. Circle ratio, eagles, and bears. So ratio means you're going to make a fraction, and you're going to put eagles over bears. Then you're going to find what their numbers are on the back of on the pie chart, and you'll fill in their numbers and then divide them to figure out what they are in decimal form. Okay. Number 2 says what percent of students chose cougars. So whenever you're doing percent, you're doing cougars over the total equals percent over 100. So you divide cougars by the total, and then that gives you the percent. You multiply it by 100 to find the percent. Next one says what percent of students chose hippos. So you're going to do hippos over the total equals percent over 100. Number 4 says what percent of students chose eagles. So you're going to do eagles over the total equals percent over 100. And then finally, the last one, number 5, is what percent of students chose bears. So you're going to do bears over total equals percent over 100. Have fun doing that worksheet. Try to answer it by just watching the video. If you have any questions, try to refer back to the video. And if the video doesn't help you, then ask me, and I'll help you.